2. Animals and plants differ. Hi dudes! Plants generally are rooted in one place and do not move on their own, whereas most animals have the ability to move fairly freely. Plants give off oxygen and take in carbon dioxide given off by animals. Animals give off carbon dioxide, which plants need to make food, and take in oxygen, which they need to breathe. Plant cells have structures that differ from those of animals. Plants have either no or very basic ability to sense. Animals have a highly developed sensory and nervous system. Plants have a very rudimentary circulatory system based on pressure and potential differences, whereas the majority of higher animals have closed circulatory systems. In this lesson, you will learn about the differences between animals and plants.
2. Animals and plants differ. We see many types of plants and animals around us. Both plants and animals are living things. Both have many common features, but they differ from each other in many ways. As we learned some important features of living things, let us know the important differences between animals and plants. Differences between animals and plants. 1. Movement. Animals move about from one place to another in search of food. For example, an insect flies from place to place in search of food. A cow goes from place to place to get grass. A lion roams about in a jungle in search of prey. But plants remain fixed to one place on the ground. They do not go in search of food. They can make their own food from air, water, and sunlight. Activity. Make a list of food items that you like most. Write the names of the plants from which they come.
Two. Food habits. Animals do not make their own food. Animals eat plants and other small animals. Different animals have different food habits.
Some animals get their food from plants. They are cow, goat, horse, giraffe, etc. Elephants eat sugar cane. They are called plant-eating animals. Some animals like lion, tiger, dog, cat, etc. eat other animals. They are called flesh-eating animals. Thus, animals are getting their food from plants and other animals. But plants make their own food. All green plants prepare their own food with the help of air, water, and sunlight. Plants which are not green like molds and mushrooms cannot make their own food. They get their food from the decaying or rotting organic matter. 3. Breathing habits. Animals breathe through the nose, gills, breathing tubes, etc. Most animals have nose to breathe. Fishes and crabs have gills which help them to breathe in air. Insects like cockroaches, Grasshoppers, flies, and butterflies have breathing tubes in their body to breathe. But plants breathe through tiny pores on their leaves. These tiny pores are called stomata. 4. Reproduction. Animals reproduce by laying eggs or by giving birth to young ones. Some animals like birds and snakes lay eggs, whereas cows, dogs, cats, lions, etc. give birth to their young ones. Plants produce young plants from seeds or any other part of the plant. 5. Sense organs. Animals have sense organs like skin, eyes, nose, ears, and tongue. These organs help them to find their food and show their feelings. Plants do not have any sense organs. They do not have to search for their food. But some plants like touch me not have sense of touch only.
Animals and plants depend on each other. Animals differ from plants, but they both depend upon each other. Animals live on the plants. They carry seeds to far off places. These seeds once again grow into plants to be eaten by the animals.
Let's revise the important points. 1. Both plants and animals are living things. Both have many common features, but they differ from each other in many ways. 2. Animals move, but plants do not. 3. Animals eat plants and other animals, but plants make their own food. 4. Animals reproduce by laying eggs or giving birth to their babies. Plants grow from seeds. 5. Animals have sense organs, while plants do not have any sense organs. Do these. 1. Answer the following questions. Conceptual understanding. 1. How do plants grow? Answer. Plants grow from seeds or any other part of the plant. 2. Name the 5 sense organs of the lion. Answer. Skin, eyes, nose, ears, and tongue. 3. Name some flesh-eating animals. Answer. Lion, tiger, dog, and cat are the flesh-eating animals. 4. How do green plants make their food? Answer. All green plants prepare their own food with the help of air, water, and sunlight. 5. How do living things reproduce? Answer. Animals reproduce by laying eggs or by giving birth to young birds. Birds and snakes lay eggs, whereas cows, dogs, cats, lions, etc. give birth to their young ones. Plants produce young plants from seeds or any other part of the plant. 6. Write 5 important differences between animals and plants. Answer. 1. Animals move, but plants remain fixed on the ground. 2. Animals eat plants and other animals, but plants make their own food. 3. Animals breathe through the nose, gills, breathing tubes, etc. But plants breathe through stomata. 4. Animals reproduce by laying eggs or by giving birth to young ones. Plants grow from seeds. 5. Animals have sense organs while plants do not have any sense organs. 2. Fill in the blanks. Conceptual understanding. Put T for true or F for false statements. Conceptual understanding.
You have won. You have won. You have won. You have won.
4. Do you know? The blue whale is the largest animal that has ever lived, larger and heavier than the largest dinosaur. Yet it is quite harmless and eats only tiny shrimp-like creatures. A dog can make out the difference between a tub of plain water and a tub of water which has a spoon of salt in it. 5. Project work. Ask the students to take a pot of garden soil. Sow some bean seeds in the pot. Water it. Watch the seeds growing into seedlings and then into adult plants.